What we also saw is farmers upping the ante against the government with a nationwide strike that was observed yesterday amid the deadlock over the contentious farm laws. We saw highways, railway tracks being blocked in several states. The movement of public transport of autos and taxis was also partially hit. Life in Mumbai remained largely unaffected and major markets remained open in the capital Delhi as well.
A 4-hour Bharat Bandh not long enough to cause the Aam Aadmi any distress, but ample enough to make a statement of intent. Farmers continue their siege to the national capital, blocking traffic on Delhi's important border points with Haryana and Uttar Pradesh.
All the 3 lanes have been blocked. They are now asking to, in fact, ये वाला रास्ता किसके लिए छोड़ रहे हैं?
जो तकलीफ है, जो मरीज है, एम्बुलेंस कहता है,
एम्बुलेंस वगैरह के लिए
जो वहाँ बाहर है, जो उसे इमरजेंसी है, उसे
अब सारा रास्ता बंद रहेगा।
सब बंद रहेगा।
While borders saw traffic chaos and chakka jams, some leading markets in the city, including Khan Market, Connaught Place and South Extension, were open. While farmers kept their protest apolitical, the Bandh itself became a platform for the opposition parties to take on the BJP. The Aam Aadmi Party claimed Arvind Kejriwal was placed under house arrest.
मैं चाहूंगा सब लोग आएंगे, मुख्यमंत्री सबसे मिलेंगे, किस आम आदमी से मिलेंगे, क्यों इसका मतलब हाउस अरेस्ट में है मुख्यमंत्री.
After a dramatic face-off outside the Chief Minister's residence, the police allowed Deputy CM Manish Sisodia inside. In Maharashtra, the APMC mandis bore a deserted look. Pune's vegetable and fruit market came to a standstill. Uttar Pradesh was largely untouched by the shutdown. Samajwadi Party workers stopped trains at the busy Prayagraj junction. In Bengal, the ruling TMC did not join the Bandh openly. Left workers burnt effigies and blocked trains in Kolkata and North 24 Paraganas. The TRS, badly bruised in the Hyderabad civic polls, lent its weight to the Bandh call. Party MLA Arike Puri Gandhi's alleged supporters got into a physical scuffle with people opposed to the Bandh. Through the day, the BJP and opposition traded charges on the farm loans.
विपक्षी पार्टियां चाहती हैं कि भारत प्रगति के पथ पर जो अग्रसर है, भारत की वो प्रगति पर कहीं न कहीं अंकुश लगे. विपक्ष चाहती है कि कोलाहल हो.
जो किसान संगठन दिल्ली में डटकर खड़े हैं, संघर्ष कर रहे हैं, उनके हाथ में किसी का भी राजनीतिक झंडा या डंडा नहीं है. डंडा सरकार के हाथ में है. हम सब एक होकर किसानों के साथ समर्थन में खड़े रहे.
The opposition is turning the heat on the NDA. A delegation led by Rahul Gandhi will meet President Ramnath Kovind on Wednesday. Meanwhile, the Narendra Modi government is still working on a compromise. It hasn't ruled out making dilutions to the farm laws in order to end the ongoing stalemate. With camera person Premchand Mishra, Polami Saha in Delhi for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.